Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to help you in the concept of area of two-dimensional shapes. In the previous video, we have learnt about the perimeter of two-dimensional shapes. If you have not yet seen this video, then please go and watch it first. To watch such a more exciting videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Let's see what is area. Area is the space occupied by two-dimensional object. I have taken this mobile which is rectangular in the shape. Let's put it on the board. So the space occupied by this mobile of that board is our area. So we have two formulas to calculate area of rectangle and area of square. Now the formula to calculate area of rectangle, let's see. Area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. We have seen that rectangle has two lengths and two breadths. Just we have to multiply these lengths and breadths and we will get area of rectangle. Suppose we have taken length which is 5 cm and breadth which is 3 cm. So let's see. Area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. So put out the values. Length is 5, breadth is 3. Just multiply them. 5 multiplied by 3 which is 15. But we have to give a unit for it. So unit is centimeter square or square centimeter, as this centimeter is here. Let us take another example of square. Area of square equals to side multiply by side. This is the formula to calculate area of square. Let's take an example. If we have given side of a square which is 6 meter, then let's find out its area. Area of square is equals to side multiply by side. 6 multiply by 6. Just put out the values. 6 multiply by 6 which is 36 and unit square here meter. While measuring area of any space, we have to add square before its unit. Example, square meter or square centimeter. I hope you enjoyed this learning. Thanks for watching.